Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at downloading the tool locations, so the length data and wear data for tools, and putting them on the USB for safekeeping. So I am here on our Eurotech Cobra 25 SLY Swiss machine. We'll just take a look inside real quick. So we have our main guide bushing right here. We have our overhead live or static tools, our overhead live tools, and then Z static and Z live tools over there, which can be working on the main or sub spindle. And then we have the sub spindle right here with sub spindle tools. So this machine has a Mitsubishi controller. Alright, so if I go to the monitor screen, this is what it looks like. It's an M70 control. So to download the tool locations, first thing you need is a USB, which I've put in here. And then we're going to go ahead and go to maintenance. And then we're going to go to input output. And we're going to set this up to read from the machine into the USB. So right now I'm on A. So I'm going to set this device as memory. So memory for machine. Now we'll change this so the DIR says program right now. So the directory, if I go to that, I'm going to set that as tool offsets. Okay, so now it's going to load the file or pull the file automatically from the machine. And then in here, I'm going to cursor down and set this device as USB. And this DIR should just be a /. What that'll do is that'll just drop it on the flash drive into no particular folder or file. Okay, so that's all set up correctly. Right now I'm on head 2. I'm going to switch to head 1 real quick. Alright, so it's going to pull all tool 1 offsets, and actually it pulls everything. It pulls tool 1 or head 1, channel 1, and head 2, channel 2 tool offsets. Alright, so I'm going to go transfer A to B. Are you sure? I'm going to hit Y for yes. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and look in my USB. I can do that by going to Edit, and I'm going to go Open. And I'm going to go over here and hit the tab that says USB Memory. Cursor down to the tool offset page, or file, and open that up. So these G10s have all the information for each tool. So each tool gets 2 lines. They have an L10 and an L11. So the G10 is a G-code that loads information into the control. And the L tells it what kind or where it should go. And then the P is also another designation. So right now we have L10, so that tells it that it needs to go into the length data under P1, so that's tool 1. So this is everything that came out of there. You have your X, your Z, your Y, your R, and your Q. Your R is your tool nose radius, and Q is your orientation. And you have the same thing for this one, except the L11 is the offset. So L10 is the geometry or the data, or the length data, and then the L11 is the wear data or wear offset. And that's for all of them. And then if we page down, we'll see where it changes to head 2. So we go to tool 40. Tool 40 is the last one, and here they have a pound or channel sign, or channel sign 2. It's the same thing as a $sign 2, and the same thing for that. All right, so now you can keep this on a USB for safekeeping if you ever change your Y-axis location accidentally, or want to look back at any certain tool location for any reason. And that is it. Thanks, guys.